Top 5 Long-Range Rifle Scopes. 1. Vortex Optics Razor HD Gen 2 4.5-27x56. This high-power scope is first focal plane and set up in MRAD versus MOA graduations. The former adjust 5.6 inches per click at 100 yards, then compounded for every additional 100 yards. The latter clicks adjust for elevation to 1 inch per graduation click at 100 yards. This is a pure as fresh snow sniper scope and designed for very advanced ultra-long-range shooting. The 1-mile shot, for example, is not an issue with this system. A point in fact is that this scope could be pushed regarding range extension to a much greater limit. Built for dialing in long-range precision shots, the LTEC turret features a locking system that prevents any accidental adjustment shifting. A built-in visual rotation indicator helps the shooter keep track of the exact number of turret rotations completed prior to making the shot, so returning to base zero is much easier. Optics in the scope are very clear and hold back negative light sources for a clear image, even at very long range limits. Why the price is so high? After shooting a target at 1,000 yards, it takes about $100.00 per each additional 100 yards in equipment upgrade to stay in the game regarding ultra-long-range target applications. The scope is only one part of a very complex puzzle. You get what you pay for. 2. Vortex Viper PST Gen 2 5-25x50. This Viper PST is much like previous Vortex offerings in this price range, but with a change in power settings. Vortex has moved up in both quality and selection so that it can offer a $3,000 and change masterpiece for professional work on this mid-range and lower-priced system for general long-range use. Owning the system is far less stress on the family budget, but still returns great results in the field. All the features of the better-grade Vortex scopes are built into this glass sight. 3. Steiner Optics M-Series Rifle Scope. I run 2 of these scopes, one on 300 Win Mag and the other one on 6.5 Creedmoor, with a switch to a Savage 110 and 338 Lapua upon occasion. This scope is the top of the line at Steiner and is German Army qualified for snipers. The glass is nothing less than outstanding, subtension's clean and easy to read when shooting 3/4 mile on a 12x12 steel plate. With very precise windage and elevation on this first focal plane scope, long-range targets are easy to dope in correctly. This best scope retains an illumination control feature and parallax adjustments on a side focus combined turret and light control. As target shooters and snipers shoot per set dope cards, this has been no issue with me. My scopes are in MRAD settings, military, and I have set up dope cards for both optical units. I believe that some shooters who buy these sniper-based tools don't understand how to use them. The Steiner M-Series is military-based, and a finely tuned piece of ultra-long-range shooting equipment, and it retains a full lifetime warranty as well. 4. Bushnell Elite Tactical DMR2i 3.5-21x50. I selected the DMR 3.5-21x50 G3 because it fits my needs, and I am sure it would fit yours as well. Within a week's shooting, the glass sight IO had jumped my effective range from 1,400 yards to 1 mile, 1,760 yards fence to fence on a section of ranch land. Subtensions are offered in both MRADS and MOA etched crosshairs. The large turret retains ample rotations for ultra-long-range work at full subtension levels, and when completely bottomed out, the turret on the scope will push 338 Lapua bullets at 300 grains to over 2,300 yards. Now install the Taco Periscope system, and this range instantly jumps to 5,000 yards. Yes, that is just under 3 miles downrange. Optic quality on the scope is outstanding. 5. Millet 6-25x56 LRS Mil-Dot Reticle. This is an entry-level scope by Millet. I have included it because I have in the past and currently own Millet glass and have found it to be quite workable in the field. Clear optical glass with little or no distortion on the lens edges and bright light, and solid repeatable adjustments. Based on the price, I would assume this scope to be a middle-of-the-road optic, but very workable for getting a shooter started in the long-range game without missing a bank payment on the house. This rifle scope has been indicated to be ideal for the tactical operator. In effect, I don't think so, but very workable for shooting still targets that don't shoot back. Tactical operators I know personally are well beyond these optical system. When your life is hanging in the balance, scope glass is a far better investment than a tombstone. That stated, the Mil6-25x56 LRS carries some of the options that make it a workable glass sight. The scope carries repeatable adjustments, and a one-piece 35mm base tube that means lots of elevation clicks on a large turret. Click links in this video description for price and more details. Thanks for watching.